Losing your company's legal status through dissolution can be a major setback, but it doesn't have to be permanent. Reinstating a dissolved company is possible in most states, allowing you to restore your business to active status and continue operations. When a corporation fails to meet state requirements like filing annual reports or paying taxes, it may be administratively dissolved. This means the business loses its legal authority to operate. Dissolution can also happen voluntarily when shareholders or the board of directors decide to suspend operations. Reinstating your company offers several important benefits. It allows you to stay in compliance with state laws, continue doing business legally, and reestablish a company that was previously not in good standing. Perhaps most importantly, reinstatement lets you maintain your original business name, tax identification numbers, and customer relationships, avoiding the hassle of starting from scratch. The reinstatement process varies significantly by state. Most states require filing a reinstatement application with the Secretary of State, and often with the Department of Revenue or Taxation. You'll typically need to resolve whatever compliance issues led to the dissolution, such as submitting overdue annual reports or paying outstanding taxes and fees. The timeline for reinstatement differs across states. In Alaska, there's no formal reinstatement process. You simply pay double the filing fees, plus all fees for the inactive period. Texas allows reinstatement at any time if the dissolution was tax-related. Other states impose strict time limits, after which reinstatement is no longer possible. For businesses dissolved less than 12 months ago, many states offer a streamlined process, sometimes allowing online reinstatement with a credit card payment. However, the longer your company remains dissolved, the more complex the process typically becomes. Maintaining good standing is much easier than going through reinstatement. To avoid future administrative dissolution, calendar all important deadlines for annual reports and tax filings. Consider using a professional registered agent to ensure you never miss legal notices. Where possible, automate payments for state fees and taxes. Conduct quarterly compliance reviews to catch potential issues early, and consult with a business attorney for proactive compliance support. In some situations, reinstatement may not be your best option. If many years have passed since dissolution, it might be easier to form a new company. If another business has taken your company name, reinstatement may not preserve your branding. Reinstating can also revive unresolved tax liabilities or legal issues from before dissolution. And if your business model has significantly changed, creating a new entity might better serve your current needs. After successful reinstatement, several additional steps are necessary to resume full operations. Notify the IRS and other government agencies to update your tax status. Renew any expired business licenses or permits. Update your banking information and inform suppliers and customers of your reinstated status. Establish robust systems for tracking future compliance deadlines to avoid repeating the dissolution process. Each state imposes specific timelines for reinstatement. California allows reinstatement at any time, provided all compliance issues are resolved. New York may require a court order for involuntary dissolutions over 2 years old. Florida offers indefinite reinstatement unless your company name has been taken. Illinois typically gives corporations 5 years from dissolution to file for reinstatement. The documentation required for reinstatement generally includes a formal reinstatement application, all past due annual reports, and payment of filing fees and penalties. Some states also require a tax clearance certificate proving all state taxes are paid, or a certificate of good standing from other jurisdictions where you operate. Common questions about reinstatement include processing time, which ranges from days to weeks depending on your state and documentation. Many states now offer online portals for reinstatement applications and fee payments. You can typically keep the same employer identification number after reinstatement unless the IRS has deactivated it due to prolonged inactivity. If someone else is taking your business name, you may need to register a new name or file under a different doing business's name. And yes, reinstatement after voluntary dissolution is possible in some states, though it often requires additional approvals or court orders. Reinstating your company requires attention to detail and persistence, but it can save you significant time and resources compared to starting a new business entity from the ground up.